By the time we started working on Vachana Sanchaya, English literature was all over the internet. If you wanted any Shakespeare's work, you could actually do search and do any type of research on that. But that was not the case with Kannada. So this is where our work becomes very crucial. I studied in Kannada medium till 10th, and I always wanted to see things in my own language. When I started looking into technology from user's perspective, it was not very easy for everybody to understand the English documentation manuals that were available for using computing, right? So that's when I started writing about technology in Kannada. I thought, okay, the language makes it easier for the user to adopt any technology or any knowledge. Vachanas were very famous literary works in Kannada from 10th, 11th and 12th century. So Vachana Sanchaya was just an initiation for Kannada digitization. The digitization is not just to read through these Vachanas. We found that researchers need more than just the text. So we, from the initial version itself, we made it easy for somebody to find the occurrence of words. We had a dump of Vachana Sahitya in non-standard or non-Unicode format. Okay? We had to find the fonts which are relevant to display those texts, convert all the Vachanas into Unicode, and then create a portal accessible for anybody from any device, and provide the search feature. You can even export the entire research that you do on our portal for your personal purpose, or you can make it even completely accessible for rest of the public to see. So we create this collaboration through these tools, and it is never ending. In Indian Academy of Sciences, we have a state-of-art scanner provided by Internet Archive, which helps us take this scan of all those books, all those pages, without tearing down the books. Okay, we use a V-shape cradle to keep the book, okay, and we scan individual pages manually. So it's a complete manual process to do the digitization work. Okay, now those books are scanned. You have the 15 volumes of Vachana Sahitya available on Internet Archive, and each page is OCR'd completely, and whatever you used to do on Vachana Sanchaya can now be done directly on a specific volume of that book. Vachana Sanchaya wouldn't have been possible if that requirement didn't come through a community, right? So we as Kannadigas have a lot of technical challenges in implementing standardization for technology, using Unicode, using language tools, etc. So when we as a community start seeing these challenges together, we get to create solutions. The digitization project that we have taken up won't move forward if you don't actually see the contributions from people. So we only create things which we feel are necessary, and then the community itself validates and tells whether it is required or not. And if they find it useful, they continue to use that tool. So that is something that I have learned and I have got, and I keep learning even today.